Next, get behind the wheel with a 2.5-hour hands-on course. First, you'll get familiar with operating your ROV on a closed range, wearing the proper protective gear, and using all the safety features found on your machine. You'll get into all the basics: starting, stopping, turning, and a variety of off-highway driving techniques, going through a serpentine pattern, both forward and reverse, using 2- and 4-wheel drive, if your ROV has both. You'll practice quick stops and even learn about making evasive maneuvers. Let's take a closer look at each driving exercise. For exercise 2, starting out and stopping, your objective is to start out and stop smoothly, position the ROV precisely, and notice the suspension reaction of your ROV. In your first driving exercise, your driver coach will guide you through accelerating and braking drills, which will give you a feel for your ROV's controls and prepare you for more advanced lessons. In exercise 3, low speed steering limits, your objective is to experience the ROV turning radius in 2-wheel versus 4-wheel drive, and to become aware of surface conditions and turning considerations. In this lesson, you will get a better feel for how an ROV handles tight turns in both 2- and 4-wheel drive. In exercise 4, backing and turning, the objective is to develop 2-foot throttle brake control to cross an obstacle and to enhance backing and turning skills. For this exercise, you will learn 2 different skills. One is to be able to cross an obstacle by using both the brake and the throttle. The other is to practice backing while in a turn, which will come in handy if you find yourself in a tight spot on a trail. In exercise 5, serpentine forward and reverse, the objective is to maintain control and safety margins while adjusting your path of travel, and to develop precise steering in forward and reverse. In this exercise, as you weave through the cones, you will refine your sharp turning skills and get a better feel for how ROVs respond to your steering input. For exercise 6, quick stops and evasive maneuvers, your objective is to experience quick, straight-line stops and to experience an evasive maneuver followed by a quick, straight-line stop. While out on the trail, you may find that you have to stop quickly or swerve to avoid hitting something. In this exercise, you'll get plenty of practice in these important safety techniques. In some locations, you can also take ROHVA's open trail experience. You'll learn about safely driving on a variety of terrain, from hard rocks to slippery surfaces, and how to tread lightly and take care of the environment. You'll find out about the right way to drive while side-hilling, and you'll learn when to use a spotter in the really tough stuff. You'll come away with a lot of valuable information and get some great practice with driving that can help keep you safe and get you out of difficult situations. If you want to learn to drive your ROV the right way, responsibly, using good judgment, then this is the course for you. Now get trained, go drive, and have fun. Visit us online today.